Today's topic covered the rapid advancement in technology and their impact of daily life, highlighting the need to stay updated in new tools and innovation. Information and communication. The focus was on how information is shared in digital age, emphasizing significant role of social media and online platforms in shaping public discourse. Educational and technology. This discussion centered on integrating technology in education, showcasing various tools that enhance learning experiences and boost student engagement. Technology, media, and learning. This presentation examined the interplay between technology and media in education, emphasizing how multimedia resources can enrich the learning process. Instructional system and technology. The focus was on designing effective instructional system that incorporate technology to facilitate learning and improve educational outcomes, such as the use of ADDIE, which is A for analysis, D for design, another D for development, I for implementation, and E for evaluation. Technology tools. An overview of various technology tools available for educators, including the learning and management systems, interactive whiteboards, and educational apps. The role of ICT in teaching and learning. This topic discussed the crucial role of information, communication, and technology, or the ICT, in modern teaching methods, making education more accessible and interactive. Digital literacy. The importance of digital literacy was highlighted, stressing that addressing technology is essential for both educators and students in today's world. After reflecting on the various topics, the one that stood out to me the most was educational technology. I found it particularly intriguing because it aligned with my interests in teaching and learning. I discovered the various tools such as gamification and virtual reality that make the lesson more engaging and interactive. I believe that technology has the potential to transform learning, making it more personalized and